You're at the Eaton Family Thunderdrome, and it's Daddy's Choice. Here we go. Here's the 18 new cars that we've got last night and this morning. And to make 25, we threw in my most recent 5-pack and a couple of Toby's new cars. Watch them race. Who's quickest? So it's Daddy's Choice 37, 25 of our newest cars racing. Lane 1, we got the beautiful 18 Ford Mustang from my brand new 5-pack car meet. It's very nice. Lane 2, we got Toby's Nissan Leaf Nismo. Lane 3, another one of Toby's. It's the 80 Toyota Land Cruiser. And Toby to finish it out. So lane 4, Ain't Fair. It's actually not a bad looking bus. And lane 5, one of these, what the? It's Veloci Racer. Well, I don't know who's going to win this. Fancy cars are usually pretty quick. I'll go for the Leaf Nismo. Hey, Toby.
Hello.
Busy over there. Look at him riding. Who do you think is going to win the first race?
I am... Let me see the cars.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going for lane 4 and look what I'm riding.
Oh, wow. Busy. All right. Good racer, Land Cruiser struggling with Nismo, takes the lead past the Mustang. He's got a good lead now, he takes the win. Poor old Toyota Land Cruiser, wheels too wide, he's not gonna make it. Nissan Leaf Nismo wins his first race. Poor old Toyota Land Cruiser couldn't make it down the track. Unlike his previous one that we got, his wheels are way too wide. So race 2. Some good cars here. Lane 1, I've been waiting for this little fella. Toby had the green one and I wanted one too. It's the 73 Honda Civic Custom. Beautiful. Lane 2, we got an Alfa Romeo GT V6. This is superb. This is the first one we've got of these. And they're both mine, by the way. And then Toby's, he's got Dune Crusher. Actually, this is one of the nicer looking Dune Crushers. Good color. But one of my favorite cars of all time, it's Muscle and Blown in the green. It looks spectacular. And lane 5, we got a premium car. Look at that fleck in it. It's the Nissan Silvia S13. Let's pop him out and have a closer look at him. Yeah, focus. There we go, focus. Here he comes. Don't get a start. Won't fit properly. He comes with this little van here. I'm starting to get quite the convoy of trucks. And that one there. All right, let's race this race. I'm thinking Muscle and Blown is the favorite, but watch that Alfa Romeo. Good job, Muscle and Blown. He's onto the flat. Alfa Romeo's hit top gear in lane 2. He's taking the lead. Dune Crusher's right next to him, but it's going to be the Alfa Romeo. Good win. Watch the Alfa Romeo, indeed. He's got some toe to him, got some wheels. Very nice looking car as well. Race 3, lane 1. This is a beauty. I love this one. The 07 Ford Mustang in the Falcon livery. Beautiful. And this guy, the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. Wow, have a look. Lane 3, we got Twin Mill, tuned out. Lane 4 from Matchbox, we got the 19 Subaru Forester. And lane 5 from my 5-pack car meet, it's Aristorat. I'm hoping the Mustang wins, even though it's Toby's. Let's see. Good race, it's tight for the Cyclone, takes the lead in lane 2. Twin Mill's wobbling up the middle, he's got the lead, the Twin Mill ran the Comet down, can you believe it? I don't. I really don't like these tuned cars, but Toby likes them, that's why I don't mind getting them for him. But to see it wobble its way to victory, taking out my Cyclone at the death. Alright, race 4. Lane 1, Mad Fast. Now I'm hoping it lives up to his name. He's quite heavy, and he is wicked looking. Lane 2, got the Big Air Bel Air. Lane 3, Fast Fish. Lane 4, I know this guy's quick. He's the 13 Capo Camaro, the Chevy. And lane 5, from Matchbox, we got the 60 El Camino. Come on, Mad Fast. Good race, nice and tight. Mad Fast is nosing on the outside. Camaro's come up fast in lane 4. He's not going to get there. It's Mad Fast holding him off for a good win on the outside. Mad Fast is in. He had a good run, and my little 13 Capo Camaro was running him down, but he needed a little bit more track. 4 races down, it's 2 apiece. 2 for Toby, 2 for Daddy. 3 cars from today, 1 car from last night, from previous night, and race 5. Lane 1, I think this guy's the favourite, Lolux. They're always pretty quick. Lane 2, Toby's Rockstar. Lane 4, again, Toby's Batmobile from the animated series. Then from Matchbox, Toby's 09 International E-Star. And lane 5, another Matchbox. This one looks alright in the black. It's the 20 Jeep Gladiator. That's Daddy's. But Lolux to win. Let's see. Good Dr. Gladiator is racing away in lane 5. But look at Lolux on the outside. Lolux is over there past him. Lolux runs down the Gladiator after a good start. Good win. Good racing. I love racing the new cars. Can you smell it? There we go. Championship race. 3 are Toby's, 2 are Daddy's. Mine are in lanes 2 and 4. Start with lane 1, Nissan Leaf Nismo. Lane 2, the Alfa Romeo GTV6. Lane 3, Toon Twin Mill. Lane 4, my favourite, and I hope he wins. It's Mad Fast. Just have a long look at him. Get up. Yeah, that's a gorgeous car. And lane 5, Lolux. I think Lolux will be right there with him. Let's see. Who's going to be Daddy's Choice champion? Mad Fast passes Lolux to the lead on the inside. The Alfa Romeo's passing Nismo. He's leveled up the speed. Mad Fast, he's got it. The Alfa Romeo wins. That was a good, tight race.